Hi everyone, I am Pramuditha Bandara. Today I will be talking about a key part of business intelligence, self-service BI tools. I choose this topic because these tools solve a big problem many companies face. They rely too much on IT teams to analyze and report data, which self-service BI non-technical users can access and understand data on their own. This helps them to make smarter, faster decisions without waiting for IT. These tools make business more efficient and help them keep up with today's need for speed and agility. So today I will be guiding you through the few key areas like a brief introduction to self-service BI, why these tools are important in modern business, the key benefits of adopting self-service BI, practical applications in various departments, and how these tools visually represent data to drive decision making. What is self-service BI? Self-service BI tools represent a major advancement in business intelligence, allowing users to generate reports and insight independently without relying on IT or data analytics. Designed with intuitive, user-friendly interfaces, those tools empower employees who may not have technical expertise to access and analyze data on their own. The main advantage of self-service BI tools is reducing the need for technical support, allowing users to manage their own data. This boosts efficiency and enable quicker decision making, which is crucial in a fast-paced environment to capability and opportunity and enhance strategic success. And let's see what are the key features of self-service BI: intuitive UI, data visualization, and real-time access. Why is self-service BI is important? Traditionally, business units depend heavily on IT departments for data access on reporting. This often causes delay due to limited IT resources and complex data requests. Self-service BI changed this by allowing decision makers to handle data analytics themselves. This shift means users to various departments can act on insight more quickly, improving agility and responsiveness. This significance of self-service BI goes beyond just spinning up process. It provides empowerment of non-technical users, fast decisions, and cost efficiency. And key benefits of self-service BI. Self-service BI offers several key advantages that make it a valuable tool for businesses. First one is accessibility. Self-service BI tools allows all employees to access and generate insight, fostering a data-driven culture across teams. The second one is real-time insight. These tools provide up-to-date information essential for industries where timely decisions are crucial. The third one is customizable dashboards. Users can tailor dashboards to their specific needs, ensuring relevant data is displayed for their roles. Now let's talk about practical applications of self-service BI. Self-service BI tools are versatile and can be used in various business functions. First one is marketing. Track real-time metrics like click-through, trades, and conversations, enabling quickly strategy adjustments. And another one is sales. Monitor revenue, sales target, and product performance to refine sales strategies. And the third one is finance. Automate finance reporting with up-to-date statements from multiple data sources, estimating delays. Power BI. Now let's explore Power BI, a leading self-service BI tool developed by Microsoft. Power BI integrates seamlessly with a wide range of data sources such as Excel, Google Analytics, SQL Server, and cloud platforms like Azure and AWS. Power BI integrates with numerous data sources, offering versatile and wide range of visualizations from bar charts to complex maps. It enables users to create dynamic, interactive dashboards and provide real-time analytics, displaying live data for monitoring KPIs, crucial for fast-paced industries like retail and finance. Its cost-efficient, premium model makes it accessible to small business while still offering advanced features for larger enterprises. And Tableau. Let's look at Tableau, a major player in the self-service BI space. Tableau is renowned for its powerful visualization capabilities, and it is widely used for creating highly customized dashboards. It is intuitive drag and drop interfaces allow users to build detailed visualization quickly. Tableau is known for its powerful data visualization and customizable interactive dashboards, making it favorite among sales and marketing teams. It offers advanced features like trend analysis, forecasting, and predictive analysis using machine learning. Tableau also supports team collaboration by allowing dashboard sharing and is scalable capabilities of handling large datasets, making it ideal for both smaller and larger businesses. Next, look at Google Data Studio, a tool with a Google ecosystem that integrates seamlessly with other Google products like Google Analytics, Google Ads, and BigQuery. Google Data Studio seamlessly integrates with Google products, make it perfect for business in Google ecosystem. It provides real-time reporting essentially for teams needing up-to-date insight, especially in marketing and finance. With customizable report and dashboards, its simplified is of use make it ideal for small business. Thus, its ways offering budget-friendly options for teams. Let's see other business intelligence tools. In addition to well-known self-service BI tools, there are other options that cater to specific business needs. For example, ClickSense, MicroStrategy, and Slack Business Object offer niche functionality suited for different requirements. Sense is notable for allowing organizations to embed analytics directly into their applications. On the other hand, Zoho Analytics is designed with smaller to medium-sized business in mind, offering affordability along with powerful BI capabilities. Now let's see visual capabilities of self-service BI. The key feature of self-service BI tool is their ability to transform complex datasets into easy to understand visualization. These visualizations are not only visually appealing but also highly functional. Users can create a variety of chart types such as bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs to represent data clearly. Additionally, tools like Power BI and Tableau provide a drill down capabilities allowing users to explore deeper layers of data. This helps in identifying root cause for trending that might not be visible in surface level metrics. To wrap up, self-service BI tools are changing the way business handle data. They provide easy access to data, allowing users at all levels of organizations to make informed data-driven decisions quickly and efficiently. This demonstration of data lead to fast decision making, improving agility, and reduce the strain on IT departments. In today's data-driven world, self-service BI is a key enabler of efficiency and strategic insight. So, thank you for attention. I hope you found a insight on self-service BI tools valuable. I am Pramuditha Bandara, Department of Software Engineering, Faculty of Computing, Sabaragamuwa University of Sri Lanka.